Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a new part. Right-click, select Component, and then Existing Component. Let's bring in the part called Top. This is a lid, and what I'd like to do is create a seal on top of it. Again, right-click, select Component, now select New Part. CATIA asks me if I want to define a new origin. I say no. Okay, let's expand our tree and rename Part 1. Right-click and select Properties. Let's rename it as Top_Seal. And click OK. Double-click on the part. And now you can see we're in the Part Design workbench. Let's activate the sketch. And click on this face. Next, let's select Project 3D Elements from the Operation toolbar. Click on the surface, and we have our sketch. Okay, let's hide it. Right-click and select Hide Show. Now you see the sketch. Bring it back. Okay, let's exit the sketch. Next, we're going to create a pad. The pad definition dialog window opens. For a length, we will enter 1/16 of an inch. Click Tab. Click OK. And we have our seal. Next, I'll save this part. There is a name here, yes. And we'll click Save. Let's go back to the assembly level and save it again. This concludes our tutorial on creating a new part.